says, yeah, whoso doeth this is accursed of me. So those are the lyrics, and now I'll sing it.
Does anyone have any questions about that?
Yeah.
All makes sense?
Say it again.
No, say it again.
Okay. O son of being, how couldst thou forget thine own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others? Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. O son of being, how couldst thou forget thine own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others? O son of being, how couldst thou forget thine own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others? Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. 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 O son of being, how couldst thou forget thine own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others? O son of being, how couldst thou forget thine own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others? Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. Son of being, how couldst thou forget thine own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others? O son of being, how couldst thou forget thine own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others? Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. Forget thine own faults.
How couldst thou forget thine own faults,
And busy thyself with the faults.
and busy thyself with the faults,
And faults of others.
the faults of others,
And busy thyself with the faults.
and busy thyself with the faults,
Faults of others.
faults of others,
Very nice. One more time. And busy thyself with the faults.
and busy thyself with the faults,
The faults of others.
the faults of others.
We could do that whole part together now. From O son of being to the faults of others. Let's try it.
Okay.
O son of being, how couldst thou forget thine own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others? O son of being, how couldst thou forget thine own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others? This part is that whoso doeth this, everyone say it,
Whoso doeth this
is accursed of me.
is accursed of me,
So who
is accursed of me. Whoso doeth this is accursed of me.
Okay, so now half of us are going to keep saying that while, or maybe just a small group, so it's not overpowering, and then the rest of us will sing the other part at the same time. So let's start with the group who does the whoso doeth this. So let's have it be, how many of us? Like this group here. So we're the whoso doeth this is accursed of me. And then you guys wait a while, and then when Valerie starts singing the O son of being, all of you sing that part together. Let's try it. Whoso doeth this
Is accursed of me. Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. Whoso doeth this is accursed of me.
O son of being, how couldst thou forget thine own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others?
Is accursed of me.
O son of being, how couldst thou forget thine own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others?
Is accursed of me. Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. Is accursed of me. Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. Son of being, whoso doeth this is false. And busy thyself with the false of others. Whoso doeth this is accursed of me. Son of being, whoso forgets that own false. And busy thyself with the false of others. Whoso doeth this. Forget thy own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others. O son of being, how canst thou forget thy own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others? How canst thou forget thy own faults, and busy thyself with the faults of others? O son of being, busy thyself with the faults of others.
¿Seguras? Mami, ¿te vas a listar para ir a la terrera después? Sí, mamá, voy a ir a alistarme, voy a ir a ver si ya
in order that they may be and experience in the utmost beauty. Thou art forgiven, thou art the compassionate.
Make this youth radiant,
Confer thy bounty upon this poor creature.
bestow upon his knowledge.
It's a work in progress. Let's just do the first line over and over again, because we got that one
And
down.
then he right.
Okay, here we go.
Oh Lord, make this youth radiant.
Oh Lord, make this youth radiant. Oh Lord, make this youth radiant. Oh Lord, make this youth radiant.
Do I say?
You're rapping, go.
God
Just
bless
a random
us,
stuff.
give us strength, add us added strength. Give us shelter and free us from error, so we may be all blessed. Hey!
I'm recording.
Free the captives and awaken the heedless, that all may be blessed with thy remembrance and praise. Thou art the mighty, and the powerful, Thou art the mighty, and the powerful,
Tell out strength at the break of every morn, and guard him within shelter of thy protection, so that he may be from error, may devote himself to service of thy cause, may guide the wayward, may lead the hapless, free the captives and awaken the heedless, that all may be blessed with thy remembrance and praise. Thou art the mighty